It's just a little something that we doing up under here. Getting the bottom of this boat, starting up under the bottom. That's how you gotta do it over here. Showing up playing hold it right there. Just hold the top of it. Hold it, put your finger on it. Move your finger off the screen, man.